This lesson is on organizing data using matrices. The singular form of matrices is a matrix, and we're going to use those to help make computations with data easier. Okay, so make sure that you do go over all of the vocabulary for this unit. So the first thing we're going to do is add and subtract matrices. We have two matrices here, so that's that set of data, rows and columns. This is your column here, and the row is across, and same here. There's your column and your row, and each individual number in the matrix is an element. So when you're adding matrices, we need to look at it as if I have whatever number is in this spot, this top left corner, I'm adding it to this top left corner. So 9 plus this 18, and our answer is also going to be in a matrix. So 9 plus 18 is 17. So I'm adding those two elements to equal this matrix over here. Again, so then this 7 plus 9, 16 goes in that bottom left corner. There's just space in between. -4 plus 3 is -1, and then the 2 plus -5 is -3. Easy enough, and that is my answer. So this, in example 1b, I have two matrices, I should say, that have a different number of rows and columns than that first one. I've got another column here. It's the same thing. I am still going to add whatever is in this top left to the top left, the top middle and the top middle, and vice versa, all that way. So 9 plus 4, 13. You can go across. -2 plus 9, 7, and 2 plus 7, 9. Okay, that's the top. And then the bottom row, 5 and -3 is 2. 12 plus -5 is 7. And -6 plus 6 is 0. It is important that you put that 0 there. Okay, so that's adding, and now here's subtracting. Same idea, but we're using subtraction now. So -3 minus 6 more is -9. 0 minus -2, so technically you could keep change, makes it a +2. -8 minus 9, -17, and 5 minus -3, keep change there, is 8. Leave it in a matrix, one preferably more even than mine. Okay? Same here, still subtracting even though it's a different arrangement of rows and columns. 3 minus -5 is 8. 1 minus 8 is -7. -7 minus 3, -10. 6 minus 9 is -3. 0 minus -1 is +1. And 4 minus 6 is -2. Okay. So that's adding and subtracting. Simple enough. This can also be done in the calculator, which we will go over. All right, so if we're multiplying matrices, all right, very similar to when we added and subtracted, I am looking at multiplying whatever is in this top left corner by this top left corner, okay? But all right, so hold on. So hold on. So the reason I was so thrown off is because you don't have to multiply two matrices together. All I need you to do is scalar multiplication. So that's essentially it's multiplying by a scale. So we're not going to multiply with this matrix. Here we're going to say that the scale, it's 3 times the -1 matrix with the 7, the 4, and the 5. That's why I was thrown off. Okay, and here all we're doing is multiplying 3 times every element. Okay, so it equals -3, 21, 12, and 15. Okay. And then let's just cross off this 6. Okay. And multiply this 2, which most of the time won't be in brackets there. So the 2 times that -8 is -16. And the 2 times -7 is -14. It's called scalar multiplication. That scale is 2. That scale is by 3. Okay? All right, and this is the left-hand page. I want you to copy down these questions. All right, and complete those. I can darken the image, maybe. Okay. The code word for this lesson is glue.